Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we have given that compressor inlet pressure is equal to P1 and P1 is given as 80 kPa. Now, compressor inlet temperature is equal to T1 and T1 is given as 10 degrees centigrade. Now, compressor exit pressure is given by P2 and P2 is given as 400 kPa and compressor exit temperature is equal to T2 and T2 is given as 175 degrees centigrade is equal to 448 Kelvin. We just change degree centigrade to Kelvin. Now temperature in regenerator is T5 and T5 can be given by this, and I am just changing degree centigrade to Kelvin, so we are getting 723 Kelvin. Now turbine inlet temperature is T3 and T3 is 1273 Kelvin. Now going forward, we have K1 is equal to 1.4 for this problem. Pressure ratio is given by Rp and Rp is equal to P2 by P1. So I am just putting the value of P2 by P1. We get 5 as Rp here. Now the expansion in turbine is isentropic expansion. So this expansion is isentropic expansion. So the formula we will use is this, which I am writing here. This is the formula we will use to solve the problem. So we can write this as T4 by T3 is equal to P1 by P2 whole to the power K minus 1 by K. So I am just putting some value here which are given in the question as well as we calculated earlier. So on solving this, we get T4 as 803.75 Kelvin. Now going further and solving ahead, we can write effectiveness of a regenerator is equal to E, and the formula used for effectiveness of regenerator is this. So I am just putting all the value that I have calculated earlier or that are given in the question. So effectiveness of a generator is coming as 77%. So the correct option is option number D.